Hello friends, good morning to all. Today we are discuss about the next preparation, that is by reduction of carbonyl compounds, that means aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids. The reduction of aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acid gives an alcohol. That is the preparation of alcohol by reduction of aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acid. Reduction means that is the addition of hydrogen atoms. Here first upon aldehydes on reduction by hydrogen with nickel, that is H2Ni, or lithium aluminum hydride give primary alcohol. There is the general reaction RCHO, that is aldehyde, RCHO. The CHO is as like that is C double bond OH, that is CHO. In presence of H2Ni, on heating we get RCH2OH, that is an alcohol. How it is formed? The double bond between that carbon and oxygen is broken down, then one unpaired electron is present on the oxygen and the second electron is present on that carbon atom. So we get the attachment of two hydrogen atoms, one is at the oxygen atom and another one is at the carbon atom. So we get CH2 as like that. OH is, it is not here. That is H. Then we get as like that RCH2OH. For example, acetaldehyde, that is CH3CHO, name of that compound is acetaldehyde. On reduction, that is the addition of hydrogen, we get CH3CH2OH as like the general reaction, that is the bond between oxygen and carbon is broken down, there is double bond, then we get CH2OH, that is name of that compound is ethyl alcohol. The next example, that is ketones on reduction with hydrogen with nickel or lithium aluminum hydride give secondary alcohol. When aldehyde on reduction we get primary alcohols, and when ketones on reduction we get secondary alcohols. Because ketones have the formula, that is RCOR, it is represented as RCOR, and aldehydes are RCOH. In the place of that R there is H in aldehyde. Then see here the general reaction. When ketone on reducing in presence of lithium aluminum hydride, we get the addition of two hydrogen atoms by the breaking of that bond, double bond. One hydrogen is attached to oxygen atom and one hydrogen is attached to the carbon atom. Then we get RCHOHR, that is RCHOHR, that is secondary alcohol, because the oxygen hydroxyl group is attached to the secondary carbon atom, so it is secondary alcohol. The next one, or for example acetone, CH3COCH3, on reduction we get secondary propyl alcohol, that is CH3CHOH CH3, that is secondary propyl alcohol. By breaking the double bond between the oxygen and carbon, we get an alcohol, that is secondary propyl alcohol. The next example, carboxylic acids on reduction with strong reducing agent. For the reduction of carboxylic acid, the requirement of a reagent is very strong. That is the carboxylic acid on reduction with strong reducing agent, that is lithium aluminum hydride, give primary alcohol. In that reaction there is the intermediate formation, that is esters, as like that. The carboxylic acid, that is represented as RCOOH, that means at the carbon atom one oxygen have a double bonded and one side a hydroxyl group. The total reactions as like that. Carboxylic acid on reduction we get a primary alcohol, that is RCH2OH. For example, acetic acid, that is CH3COOH. On reduction it gives CH3CH2OH, that is ethyl alcohol. And the next reaction, or it is the last preparation method of the alcohol, by addition of Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent is represented as RMgX, methyl magnesium halide. By addition of Grignard reagent we get an alcohol, but the addition in aldehydes or ketones. Grignard reagent react with aldehydes or ketones to give or to form an adduct, which on hydrolysis with dilute acid give the corresponding alcohols. Corresponding means the chain contains carbon. If the carbon chain contains 5 carbon atom, then the product also contains 5 carbon atom, that is the corresponding relatively. General reaction, that is RCOR, it is a ketone. When the Grignard reagent react with that ketone, we get a intermediate product, that is called as adduct. What happens here, that reaction is forward in dry ether. The bond between carbon and oxygen, there is a double bond between carbon and oxygen. The one bond between these two is a pi bond. The pi bond is broken down and the part of RMgX or the Grignard reagent, one part is directly attached to that carbon atom and the another part is directly attached to the oxygen atom, and we get a intermediate as like that RCR, that R is here, OMgX, that is OMgX. On hydrolysis, that adduct or intermediate product, we get a tertiary alcohol as like that, that is RCRROH, and the byproduct MgXOH. See here, there is one example, that is acetone, CH3CO CH3. When treated with methyl magnesium bromide, it gives a intermediate product, that is CH3C CH3CH3 OMgBr. That on reduction we get, or that on hydrolysis we get tertiary butyl alcohol. See here, that is tertiary butyl alcohol, and the byproduct is methyl magnesium MgBrOH. Okay, thanks. In the next period the preparation of phenol is continued.